Good evening po guys sa inyong lahat. Good evening everyone. I am driving now again. So please join me if you have time. Now is evening time in Austria, Europe. But we are still we have this kind of weather. If springtime and summertime, there is still sunlight if springtime and summertime. So for example, today is Monday. And the sunlight is until 8 p.m. and from 8 p.m. is dark. It's already dark, like in the Philippines at 6 p.m. is already dark. It's not the same. It's not like here in Austria that there is still sunlight in the during the 7 p.m. So I have to drive slowly because it's very slippery because of the rain. So guys, nakita po ninyo ang view ng raining moment. Rainy day. So now is about